Hi. In this tutorial, I will show you how to upgrade the Bitform free version to the Pro version in WordPress. Let's get started. Step 1. Install Bitform free version. First, open your WordPress dashboard. Then navigate to the Plugins menu, and select the Add Plugin option. Now search for a plugin named Bitform. Once you find the Bitform plugin, then click on the Install button, and activate it. Now, the Bitform free version is installed and activated on your site. Step 2. Create a sample form. Then go to the Bitform dashboard, and click on the Create First Form button. Choose the type of form you want to create from here. For this tutorial, I will create a simple contact form. So I will use the built-in simple contact form template. Now, I want to add a signature field to my form. So in the search bar, search for signature field, and click to add it to the form builder. But here you will see a pop-up. The signature field is not available in the free version. To use it, you will need the Bitform Pro plan. Step 3. Upgrade to Bitform Pro plan. To upgrade, go to the BitApps subscription dashboard, and log in to your BitApps account. Then, navigate to the Purchase section, and select your desired Bitform package. Here you will see your subscription details. You can also upgrade your plan anytime from this page. Download the Bitform Pro version by clicking this option. Step 4. Install and activate Pro version. Now, return to your WordPress plugins page again. Then upload and install the Bitform Pro plugin. Next, click the Activate Plugin button. You will now see the Bitform Pro version listed in your plugins. Step 5. Connect license or subscription. Now, open your Bitform Pro dashboard and select the license option. Then click on the Connect with BitApps subscription button and complete the subscription connecting process to activate your license. Congratulations! You are now a Pro member of Bitform. Now you can also access all Pro features, updates, and support. Step 6. Use Pro features. Now go back to the Bitform dashboard and edit your form as you need. Then click on the Update button. Now, let's preview the form. Here, you can see that the signature field has been successfully added to your form. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.